Hi everyone, so I'm back and hopefully you are too. It was an interesting day of sessions that you've heard. So we heard from all the experts on how the role of the business analyst is changing. We heard about the growing demand for business analysis across industry and how colleges and India in general is not able to keep up with demand. So how many of you are actual business analysts in the room today versus students? Okay, great. And how many of you are actually managing BA teams? All right, a few more. And how many are students here? Are in the back. Okay, great. So what I'm going to talk about is some of those things, but a little different spin on that. I want to talk about how we see the role of the BA changing and what it is going to be, what our clients are telling us they expect from a BA. So you heard the academic side, what the BA course is going to teach you. So let's open that up a little bit, right, and look at what is BA-enabled innovation. So I'll open it with a little bit of preamble on what is enterprise innovation. So if you're a large company, medium-sized company, which I call the enterprise, what is that? What does innovation mean to you? And then we'll talk specifically about what are some of the critical factors that a BA needs in order to innovate. So the reason I showed you that video is because what you just saw is our BA team at work, right? I want to give you a sense of where the BA space is headed. And what you just saw is a current project that our BA team is focused on and how to improve the winnability of a car race. So NTT Data sponsors the Formula One racing car called the Ganassi team. And if you look at the challenges that Indy 500 faces today, it is manifold. So it's very complex technology in the car. It's got hundreds of sensors in the engine, on the outside, sending thousands of data bits per second to the pit crews. And those data need to be analyzed and understood on how to improve the car's performance, when to change the tires, when to change the oil, predict when parts are going to break. So when the next pit stop happens, you need to change one of those parts. It involves dealing with fans on the microsites, on the tens of microsites that the Formula One championships have across the globe. It deals with performance of the videos on the site, how to tune them, so that when there's a Formula One race happening and you have hundreds of thousands of hits that very second, the site doesn't crash. It has to do with loyalty and customer loyalty and fan loyalty and merchandising sales, predicting that what demographic is going to be able to buy the next sweatshirt or what the price of a ticket should be in a particular demographic in a particular geography. That's what our BA team does. It models those scenarios, it models the requirements, and it innovates around a use case which can be as cool as this. So this is a real-life example, and I wanted to just set the context for where the BA role is headed in terms of the very near future.